So today's video I want to talk about your lips, how you're not protecting them correctly. 1 second. What's up, buddy? Okay, talking lips. Lips. Okay, so one thing a lot of times we forget to take care of is our lips here, like these little guys there. Now, as we all know, the lips are very sensitive. They're very thin with the skin, and they're very prone to burning or chappiness or dryness and whatnot. So it's very important that you take care of your lips with some type of lip balm. Now, I prefer, of course, a Nettle Gold lip balm. Lip balm. I prefer Nettle Gold one. This is what's this, Turtle Balm. I like Turtle Balm here. Can you see that? Is it in focus? So let me fix the focus. Hold it up. There you go. See that? Turtle Balm, right? I like Turtle Balm. I like it because, well, when I make it, but it has shea butter, avocado butter, aloe butter, beeswax, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, red palm oil, right? I like using a natural lip balm on my lips. Now, there's numerous ones out that you can get from the store for like $1 or whatnot, but the one thing about those, when you look at them, they have these artificial fragrances and stuff in them, of course, because the artificial fragrances are what you fall in love with. You know, that nice coconut aroma or that nice cotton candy aroma. But you got to remember, while you're putting these things on your lips, it's going into your mouth, it's getting its way into your system and whatnot, and your lips, like I said, are very thin, so they absorb a lot of things because your skin itself absorbs 60% of what you put on it. So your lips, maybe like 62, maybe 62, maybe a solid 62 and a half, maybe 63, you know, something like that. Let me change the camera angle. So like I was saying, you got to work on your lips. You got to make sure your lips are good. Let me zoom in on her face. Oh, cute self. Oh, that's my baby's head. Yep, almost there. Got it. There it is. This is totally going on the internet, by the way. Just want you to know that.
Alright, it's too much sun.
There's a lot of sun going on here.
Let's go. Take a quiet place.
Yeah, let's do this. But yeah, so like as the sun's beaming down on you, like it's doing here on me, you got to make sure you're taking care of your lips, right? Because a lot of times we're applying sunscreen and sun protection formula and whatnot, but if you aren't taking care of the lips, you're, is this in focus? Yeah, I'm in focus. You're being a fool there. You got to take care of it all. Ooh, bright. You got to take care of it. See this? Yeah, that works a little bit better. Okay, yeah, you gotta take, no it doesn't, whatever. You gotta take care of your lips. You gotta apply the balm to your lips, you know, in a nice, all right, let me switch camera angles again, hold up. Just gonna make this happen. I'm just gonna switch this all together. There we go. If this works. That's better. Oh, now I'm too dark, hold up. Okay, here you go. So you take the balm, right? You gotta just curl it up there. You just gotta put it on like that. And you gotta make sure you do it, right? You gotta get all of it. Just like that. Alright, so we're talking about lips. So the importance of taking care of your lips, it's an easy topic to talk about, but it's also very difficult at the same time because we don't necessarily speak about our lips often enough. Like we'll use chapstick, you know, we'll use sunblock or something on our face, but we kind of forget the importance of covering up our lips because the lips are a very thin layer of skin. That thin layer of skin can be damaged detrimentally by outside elements like wind or, you know, rocks or sand or sun, whatever it may be. You got to make sure you're putting those type of lip protection. So I like to use the stuff that we have, obviously, because that's kind of what we do. Let me grab it out of my pocket. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, you're drooling, buddy. It's so gross. So gross.